Now today's topic is how to find out null value. And what is a null value? Null value is a missing value in a dataset. First I import 3 libraries. Import pandas as a PD, import numpy as a NP, import cbon as SM. And now cd now I imported case study probability datasets and how many null value in a dataset, and df data in these datasets have 1,50,000 rows and 12 columns. And now monthly income column has null value NAN, and status column has null value, and others column is number of dependents column has also null value. Now we will be the check the null value through codings. So df dot is null dot sum monthly incomes and number of dependent and status columns have null value, and these columns have null value. Df dot is not null dot sum. This code only represent not null value. This code represent not null value means no missing value present, but in these columns now we will be this now through visualizations we will be the see the null value and how many columns have null value. Already I have imported cbon library that is used for visualization purpose. So now SNS dot heat map df dot is null comma y stick levels equal false, comma CMap equal CMap equal single quotation cool warm and this heat maps only present the null value, and also those column have no null values. And monthly income column has so many lines, red lines, so many red lines, and number of independent column have so many red lines, and so we can say that these two lines are, these red lines are present the null value. Now we will be the check the how many percentage of null value in a data set. Per underscore null underscore values equal df dot is null dot sum divided by df dot shape square bracket 0 into 100 . Now monthly income column has approximately 20% of null value. Number of dependent has 2% and number of status 0.5% of null value. So